Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious blue cheese dip for your buffalo wings. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality crumbled blue cheese, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Also, grab 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic dip. Now, let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of crumbled blue cheese with the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Next, pour in the 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and the 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Sprinkle in the 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Gently stir everything together until all ingredients are well incorporated and the blue cheese is evenly distributed. Avoid overmixing to maintain some texture. Once everything is mixed, it's time to perfect the flavor. Take a small taste and see if it meets your expectations. You might want to add a bit more freshly ground black pepper or even a tiny pinch of salt, depending on your preference. If you prefer a thinner consistency, slowly mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk until it reaches your desired thickness. Finally, let the dip chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This really helps the flavors meld beautifully. Your delicious blue cheese dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it generously with your favorite hot buffalo wings. It also makes a fantastic accompaniment for a platter of fresh vegetable sticks, like crisp celery and crunchy carrots. If you happen to have any leftover dip, simply transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. When stored properly, your homemade blue cheese dip will stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.